So here we are back at the kennel, working to get him out. He likes to stay in his cubby. Come here, buddy. Come here. Buddy. Come on. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on, we got food. Come on. Come on, buddy.
Forward at least.
Maybe. Look here, buddy. Look. Oh, yeah, you got the treat. I know. You got the treat. All right. Well, look, I got more. I got more. Here's the turkey. Here's the turkey that you like. Okay. Hello? Where'd my guy go? Yeah. Okay, here you are. Just a minute. We're going to take you out. I lost my guy. Hang on. Yeah, good boy. Wag that tail. Good boy. He's so food motivated. I mean, what boy dog is it? Boy dogs are easy. They are very food motivated. You stay right there. We're going to take you out of the kennel. I just lost our kennel guy. Where did my kennel guy go? Okay. Hang on a minute. Good boy. Yeah, you stay right there. No, come back here. Come here. Stay here. I'm going to give it to you in a minute. I'm going to give it to you in a minute. We're going to go for a walk. Hey, kennel guy, where'd you go? Spencer. I lost my kennel guy. All right, we got to find somebody to get him out now. Hang on.